Good morning, guys. Just like up the stream. Good morning, Good morning, guys. All right, we will start in 7 minutes. Let's like up the stream, get the questions and tickers in. I will see you all in a bit. All right. Let me change my screen. I'm just gonna I'll just keep it on hollow because everybody and their grandmother's watching this thing right now. All right, so here we have it. Here are your levels for hollow. I'll just keep it on here. I am going to be on mute, all right? You can read my screen. On mute will start at 8:30 a.m. EST. See you then. All right, see you guys in a bit. Good morning to those who joined. If you can't read, I am just on mute, okay? I will speak in exactly 6 minutes, all right? See you guys in a bit. Good morning to those who joined. We will start in 3 minutes, right? Let's like up stream. We got 40 people in here and we got 15 likes. Come on, we get to at least 30, 40 likes. It's free. It's free. It's free. It's free. All right, good morning, good morning. We'll start now. Let's get started since we got a lot of questions from Twitter and all those things. I'll get to them in a minute. Let me just find all of these messages. All right, we are almost there. Okay, we got it. All right, how is everybody? Did everyone have a great weekend? Fantastic weekend. Fun. Right, well, let's see some questions in here. Let's see some questions and tickets. What up, totes? What up, totes? Right, well, the large cap market, SPY, all of that is down due to this AI news with DeepSeek. Or Deep Search, right? What's it called? DeepSeek, I think. Yeah, DeepSeek. It's actually pretty cool. I had a look at it earlier this morning. Pretty cool. Follow, as we can see, broke out. And if you guys remember, for those who follow me during pre-market in the mornings, I clearly mentioned to you all, and I said exactly, what is this, 2 hours ago, I said, follow entries are only above $1.80. No entries below. So once that broke 180, let's see how much it has ran so far. The 180 is here. It has ran 38%. So well done. If you're in it, I would definitely be out about at least 60, 70, 80% of my position. Move your stop loss to break even, and then let's see what else happens. But that's good to see something's moving in the market because, yeah, large caps are getting rocked, but I think overall small caps will be all right today. Fortunately, I had to remove my swings because the market didn't open up very well this morning. So that is what happens, especially after the news, right? You'll notice that over the weekend, there's a lot of news that happens and things that can change the market. So as you can see, Bitcoin's down, all of that. So it's kind of difficult to anticipate what will happen. 294 break. I'm just going through Twitter on this and I'll get to you guys in a minute, right? So all of these will be down, all the Q stocks, all the quantum stocks, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. A lot of the market's down, pretty much. SPGC. Don't like something like this. I don't know what people see in these stocks. Just hope people don't trade these trash. So, SPGC, no entries unless 0. Right, the reason why I say these are trash is because there's nothing going on. It's had news here, we can see it spiked up, it came stuck, went straight up, came all the way down. So nothing great on that. All right, I'm caught up on everything. Oh, ELAB. I saw this thing was down quite bad, pre-market. Yeah, down 18%, nothing less 320 on ELAB. So ELAB, no entries unless 320 break. But yeah, Chinese sector will go, but you know, that's the thing. The market, people are freaking out like, oh, market's down, market's down. Hey, guys, that's what the news does. News affects plays like this. The market goes up and down. People need to understand that when you step back and take a larger look at the market and understand that the market goes up and down, and why it goes down and why it goes up is purely because of news, whatever it may be. There's war going on, the elections, there's all kind of things that can affect the market, right, as a whole. So that is what happens. Look, it's just correcting right now, right? So right now we're in a demand zone. We'll see what happens. In my opinion, I think the SPY is going to go green today, because that's usually what happens. It's just a big sell-off, all this news, you know, and now what's going to happen is it's just going to be a bit of a choppy day, but we'll see. I still think that the SPY does go green. That doesn't mean go and take your loan out for calls. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just giving my prediction on what I think might happen. All right, so take that as you will. So SPY obviously has a gap fill, pretty much everything. Nvidia's down bad as well. That got hit hard from this news. Has a 4-hour gap fill. 4-hour gap fill. I'll get to all your questions in a bit, right? Let's get the questions in. Tickers, everybody like up the stream. You just have to click like. If not, just log in to your Gmail, whatever you use. It takes 2 seconds and it goes a long, long way, right? That's how you can show that you're supporting the channel. Okay? Let's have a look. What do we have? Let me look. Nvidia's down. Let's see Nvidia. Look, down 11%. Coming down all the way to this demand zone we have here. Right down here, maybe. So there's a demand zone here as well. But I don't know. There's also a gap fill. Same thing as all of them have gapped down pretty much. I think the Nasdaq was down as well. Was down bad as well. It was down 6%. Gap fill, gap fill, gap fill. So we'll see if it fills this gap back up, but this is the current chart at the moment. What up, Mr. Nawaf? How are you, my friend? How are you, my friend? How are you doing? How are you doing? Fine, a video. Let me see what other plays are moving here. Right, okay, cool. Okay, let's see. Good morning, good evening. What up? Let's go. Hollow, give me $5. That means you want 100% move from here. Good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck. What else do we have? Yeah, these are your next key levels. So 180 was the entry point that I gave to you guys. If you did, well done. If you didn't, slap yourself in the head. Tesla. What's happening with Tesla? Let's have a look. Tesla is just at a major support level. Obviously, this is down 3% as well. Like the rest of the market, the whole market is red. The whole market is red. All right. Here, these are your key levels. So we have Tesla key levels. Looks like it's trying to reverse off this level. This has also gapped down right from this morning, like everything else has. SPY, Nvidia, all of them. All right. Yo, Tiger, what up, my friend? What up, what up, what up? Where's Khan, the Hollow King? DTSS, what's happening with DTSS? Up 14%. Is there any volume right now? No volume on this. I don't really like something like this because it's not that clear of a chart. Although it's up 14%, there is still low volume. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, daily is very choppy as well, right? There's no trend. The only trend you could say this is pretty much ranging. What is this at? It's at 240. So like right now, or the easiest way I could tell you is that maybe a close above, oh, here's whatever this is. So maybe a close above this high here. Get this right. And then we get here and mark at the same level. 294. So 294 is where you want to enter. So this is DTSS, wait for 294, break to enter. All right, because right now it's just ranging. Right now it's at $2.41, which is around here. So this red line is where it's at. So I don't want to trade something like this. Close above here, you have clean range all the way up, even a little gap fill here as well. Just joined. What up, Mr. Khan? DXT. Was this the one that ran the other week, last week? DXST. This is nothing, absolutely nothing on this. Yeah, I would not touch this at all. I'm not going to bother talking about this one, unfortunately. The Chinese app named DeepSeek is the reason Sun is down 10%. Do we avoid it for now? Yeah, I wouldn't buy this. I mean, I don't know. For me, look, guys, and I say it every day, and I want people to slowly start to learn it because I'll slowly stop mentioning it. All the quantum plays, in my opinion, are very, 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 very bullish. In the long term, the AI sector, the AI theme, the quantum, all of those stocks are good for long term. That is where the future of technology is going. That is my personal opinion. So it will go down and it will go up. That is how the market works because it gets affected by news. When there's good news, it will go up. When there's bad news, it will go down. That is it. But in the long run, in my opinion, it is a good stock to invest, the whole sector. So if you want to buy it now, you can buy it now. If you want to wait, you can wait. That is my personal opinion. All right, I'll say that every single day until everybody gets very clear on that. So it's glued into their brain. So we don't have to talk about it every day. Yes, Hollow is rampaging. Rampaging. Congrats to everybody who grabbed it. We have set the bag holders free. Who is in Hollow right now? Please make sure you are taking profits. If you are still not taking profits on something like this, I don't know what to say. Congrats though, well done, well done. Well done everybody. Well done, well done. Please just give me some life to the market. TVGN is up 40%. Anything exciting? Yeah, this one, I don't know. It's sleeping. It's sleeping. It's sleeping. It's sleeping. I'm going to remove this falling wedge because it keeps rejecting it. Well, it's still valid, but it's below the psychological level. Maybe your demand zone here like this you can use. Demand zone is simply where buyers step in. So that means that if it gets into the demand zone, there's a high probability it will reverse. So anywhere inside here, there's a high probability it will go up. That is what a demand zone is. Zone. I made exactly like $4 today, so okay. LITM, your entries are 113 or above. Start of the gap fill is 113. That's a good entry point for continuation to fill the gap at 130. All right. You don't want to enter now. You want to enter above 113. If you enter now, then that is not what I'm trying to tell you. But if you want to enter now, you can. There's just an extremely, extremely, extremely riskier entry. All right. NVNI, nothing exciting on this, to be honest. Dumping is down 30%. I would just ignore something that's down 30%, to be honest. You'll see pretty much 99% of players are all red and all down because that is what the whole market has reacted to with this new DeepSeek, whatever it's called, DeepSeek AI released. Fix the whole market. So all the US stocks are pretty much down. China stocks are up. That is how the market works. This looks great. VCIG is running, breaking out here. Nice little falling wedge breakout. Finally, this had some news, obviously. We'll have a look and see what it is. So we have it on our watch list. Let's have a look and see what the news is. The news is expect to generate 6 million annual revenue. That is not much, but we will see. These are your key levels. We will see. Everybody, like up the stream. It cost you absolutely nothing to do it, and it cost me a lot. It means a lot when you guys do it. All right. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. A lot of you guys got into that play, into Hollow at 178.9, 180. Congrats. TVGN weekend was good. Hope yours was good too. Last night was a little insane seeing, you know. Yeah, to be honest, I don't look, since I don't trade large caps or anything, and my strategy and the way I trade, my style is just trading the top gainers. I don't really look at the overall market, to be honest with you, because it doesn't impact my style of trading. Obviously, yes, if the market's red, right, there's less plays that are running, but there's always plays that will run. There will always stocks that have news or whatever it may be, right, in the small caps sector, and that's what we focus on. So for me, yeah, I don't really get caught up in all of that, because if I do, then, you know, it just affects my trading mentally, so I kind of just avoid it. But I mean, yeah, I know about it, like the news and stuff, but it's not going to affect my trading in that sense. If anything, maybe I'll just aim for smaller targets, because the market will probably be weaker. But that's about it. Weekend was great. Did Yard clean up? Oh, damn, yeah, the storm. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, the storm's getting bad there. What? Oosh. Hollow is high heat. 310 next level. AKRO. AKRO. AKRO is up 100%. Yeah, I saw this one. For me, look, I don't trade something like this that's inside of a range. It means it's just consolidating. Extremely difficult and extremely high risk trading something like this. When you are trading something like this, you do not want to enter inside of this level, because there's a high probability it can just knife and come straight back down. What you're looking for is simply just a close above, a candle close above $58. I would not be trading something that's $58, but it's completely up to you. All right. CVGN's right here. I would just wait for the downtrend break personally on this, or maybe above $2. APLD is just down. Yeah, it's down because of crypto. Large, yeah, I mean, it's down because of crypto. That's it. To be honest, there's nothing exciting going on. It's still in a bullish flag, if you want to call it. Yeah, it needs to hold $7, to be honest. So you want to put 50% of your money into Nvidia. So when people say thinking of buying, or they think something's going to go up and they think that's an extremely bad idea, you might as well give your money to your neighbor or someone else who's in need of money, because that is a terrible idea. Whether it runs up 1,000,000% or not, I don't care. That is not the way you trade. You don't think and hope and pray just because something is down that you're going to buy it because you expect to go up. That's not the way to trade. For me, it doesn't make sense to me. I trade based on a technical analysis, right? So I look at the chart and I can read it and predict what will happen, and then I'll look for my entry from there. But because you want to put 50% of your money, that's an extremely bad idea, but obviously that is up to you. When I enter trade, I don't go in with more than 20-25% of my account per trade. That is what I would tell you. But if you want to go ahead, feel free to go ahead. That's just not the way I trade personally. Whether it will run up or not, I don't know. Because if I did know, I would put in 100% of my money. You know? DJT, nothing on this. Nothing on DJT. Seed is down 14%. Nothing on this. I'm not too sure what you see on that. DJT to go put it on. Wow, that's insane. Some people, man, they'll never learn. Trying to make a quick rich scheme, and even if he made money off that, he probably would still keep putting his money more and more until he does lose. Get up to like $10 million and then lose it all. That's how it works. People are like that. Onco, you need to wait for $1 to look for an entry. Other than that, I wouldn't touch it. Onco, wait for $1 break to enter. All right, $1 because it's a psychological level, and right now it's in a strong downtrend. Not strong, but it's in a downtrend, and it's also below VWAP. Hollow, hollow, hollow. Push it, push it, push it. Do not chase now. If you're buying hollow now, that is an extremely bad idea. Onco, yeah, I just went over this one. Deep Sea AI coin, 1001%. Wow, wow, wow. That's crazy. What happened to MLGO? I'm not too sure. They had news. That's why hollow's running as well. I don't know why MLGO is going up right now though. But them two run together. Nice, Matt. Well done. Well done. Well done. Do you stay out of crypto? No, I have some crypto, but I don't trade it. I just buy it. See what happens. I leave it for the future. See what happens. Why did Hollow just decide to become 20? Hit that like button. That's right. Hit that like button. It costs you absolutely nothing. Please do it. It means a lot to us. It means a lot. Also, this is the only link to Discord here. Hassi is not here today. He will be back tomorrow. He is doctors. Where should I put your money in this morning? I don't know, my friend. What is happening here? Icons, nothing. I'm not too sure what you see on this. Extremely bearish. Yeah, nothing. Dada, I saw this one earlier. This is a China play. I'm not really a fan of this, but if you want to enter, you can wait for 192 break. So if it breaks above 192, there's a high probability to go up. So Dada, wait for 192 break to enter. All right, 192 above, entry. Anything below, nothing. Because if it breaks the high of day, there's a high probability to go up because it'll have volume, strong buyers, bullish trend overall. You know, it's all adding up. The probability of it going up is a lot higher than it going down. APRE, I don't know what you see on this. There's no volume, bearish. Yeah, difficult to trade. I don't know. Maybe there's news pending, but I don't see anything at the moment. Sorry. Sorry. RGTI, let's have a look. RGTI, yeah, nothing unless 1478. This whole sector's got rocked. The whole market's got rocked. Everything is down. Right? So RGTI, no entries unless 1478 break above. So if you're going to enter now, that is not correct. I said wait for 1478. I took JG 748.70. Yeah, I know. People in the Discord as well. They sold it before $10. Not going to call anyone out here, but Paul, paper hands, if he's in here. Yeah, JG was insane. Insane. This is why I said, I mentioned here earlier today, I said if a candle closes above 823, that would be a good entry. I'll put it on Twitter as well for you guys. So if you got in, congratulations. If you didn't, it's okay because I didn't either. Broke above this, and now look, it went crazy up to $21. Did not expect that. Assuming, what is this news? This AI news? Probably, right? China AI news. AG, yeah, here we go. Yeah, AI thing. Interesting. Hollow is here, guys. This is Hollow. Here is Hollow. How high do I expect to go? I don't know. I have no idea how high I expect this to go. I don't know. I can give you the key resistance levels, which are here. Now that's broken about 254. You have 310, above 310, and 394. All right, that's it. That's it. Remember, just think about this logically now. Everybody, just listen. This is extremely careful. Look, from the big run up, how high has it gone? 70%. Okay. Now that means there is a probability and a high, extremely high probability that it will come down and then it will go up again. Look, what do you notice when you look at stocks? When you first looked at a stock chart, stocks look like this, right? They go up, they go down, they go up, they come down. That's how they work, right? However, we are now in a bullish trend. We should pull back to somewhere around the support level. Then you can break the high, then you can continue, and that's how it should happen. Do not buy when it's at the highest point. You can simply do something like this, draw the downtrend, wait for the downtrend to break, to take an entry. You can wait for VWAP, wait for an entry around here. You can look for support, you can look for demand zones, you can use chart patterns. Lots of ways to find reversals. MLGO will just simply follow Hollow. That's all I will tell you. If you want to enter it, I would wait for a close above 282. 282 is what you can look for. ETNB, what's happening here? ETNB up 48%, $10 stock, something like this. I won't be trading this today. Move this to $12. All right, so $12 here. I would wait for a close above $12 to look for an entry. Anything below, I personally wouldn't touch it since there's a heavy resistance here. All right, so ETMB, wait for $12 break to enter. I would wait for a 5-minute candle close above $12 to look for a trade. What are your thoughts on TCTM? I think I removed this one off my watch list. TCTM, nothing on this. Nothing on this. It looks like a pump and dump. Straight up, came down. Nothing on this, unfortunately. Oh, Patrick, yeah. Okay, cool. You must have got in that earlier. Thanks for your efforts. No problem. No problem. I hope you're learning and made a little bit of money. I was not sure JG and decided not to buy. Yeah, I mean, I saw it as well. I just charted it and then, I don't know, I was just charting other stuff and then the next minute was at like $20. Which was pretty insane. Do I like Fubo long term? I don't know the stock. I know about the news, but I'm not really interested in it. Like, I don't do fundamentals in stock, like who the CEO is, what the company is, what the future is, earnings reports, and all that financials. I don't look at any of that. But based on a chart like this, which is a technical chart that I've drawn here, it's expected to go up. After this breakout here, I expect it to go up. But right now, it's just kind of ranging like this. Nothing exciting, to be honest, but yeah, I mean, it is bullish. You expect it to go up, but long term, I don't know. Unfortunately, I don't know what the company has for the future and those kind of things. Don't enter trade when there has so many bullish candles. Yeah, I mean, I just like, if something's up like 50-60% and there's no pullback yet, I just wait for a pullback or the downtrend. Let the downtrend form. It will come down. It has to. Looking for 4 on open hold party around 10 o'clock. Fubo's right here. That's $1 million. That's $1 million. Give it for free. You the man. RKLB. RKLB. This is good. So we have this right here. Pulling back to support level around here. 2870 like this. What I'm going to do is I'll use this demand zone actually. It's a lot clearer to see. So we have it like this. Yeah, so we have this. I'm going to use that demand zone. So right now, demand zone is where buyers step in. So maybe it'll hold this level. Would like to get a psychological level around here as well, which means $29 would be your psych level for this. So yeah, this is like your psychological level. We'll see, but everything's down. Everything, all the large caps are all down. So it's normal, right? That's how the market is. And unfortunately, because of the news, the market's come down. So it's just a day. It will probably recorrect later today, tomorrow, or during the week. It's not the biggest deal. So everybody can relax. EJH, what's happening here? I don't know. This is trying to play right from what I remember. Yeah, there's a lack of volume in this play, even though it's up 9%. Maybe above 0.67 is a good entry point, but it's difficult to know if this will break because there's a lack of volume. When there's no volume, it won't respect resistance technicals at all. So yeah, this needs 0.67 break. So 0.67 break for entries. Wimmy. Wimmy, you need to close above $1.38. Anything below, I wouldn't touch it. So look, this is what I mean. You see this chart, 138 is your entry point and above. If you remember correctly, with Hollow, it's exactly the same chart what I drew earlier. Above 179, high volume will break above. So you're asking about Wimmy, it's exactly the same thing. Wait for above here, then you have a wick fill to here. All right, cool, got it, nice. Wolf will be down because Bitcoin is down 11%. Yep, as expected. So the rest of the market, all the crypto bros are struggling right now, unfortunately, but it will go back up. Sure of it. Buy the dip. But these are blockchain stocks. These just follow crypto. We have here and here. What do we have? We have this level marked right here. These are your key levels on Wolf, but right now it's all down. All of them. Mara, Riot, CLSK, Can, all of them. Is Onco dead? No, it's up 49%. Right now it's in a downtrend. I would not enter this unless it breaks the downtrend, or you can wait for $1. Personally, I would wait for $1. There is a higher probability it'll go up then, but right now, if you're in it, I would cut it and focus on something that's in a bullish trend. Would you recommend entries for Tesla? Guys, just relax. okay, with the trades. Relax. What I mean is the market is down right now. People are going to try and hop on now because they're going to try and catch the bottom. Just relax. Let the market settle itself out. Let it find its feet. The market hasn't even opened. Where is a good entry? I don't know where the best entry is. I don't trade these large caps, but if you were to, I would probably take it at the start of this gap fill, which is $398.45. All right. That is it. Thank you. No problem. No problem. No problem. TVGN is here. Yeah, TVGN, you can wait for the downtrend break, or I would wait for $2. Right now, it's still bearish. MBIO. Right, let's see if we can like up the stream here. We got 50 likes and 112 people in here. It's literally free to click on that like button. Do it, and you will see you will make $1 million today. If you don't, you'll be red today. This MBIO is bearish, strong bearish trend. Huge sell-off. Anything above, I would say maybe 610. I wouldn't touch it, but yeah. MBIO, wait for 610 break to enter. All right, because if it gets above 610, there's a high probability it'll continue to go up. Right now, it's difficult. SoFi, yeah, I don't know. So I mean, everything's down. SoFi got rocked. Yeah, I know they had good earnings, but we'll see. Right now it's difficult to chart, like maybe 18, 17 above here. I know it's the highest point right now, but it's difficult to trade something and where it's going to recover, because obviously earnings have a big impact on this. So for me, I just wouldn't touch it personally. Yeah, I would just leave it for a day or two, or maybe a week. There's no rush. Thank you for liking it. Thank you. Best chart read on social. Hit that like. Let's go. Let's go. CATX. Very low volume. I don't know. Maybe you're looking at this due to this daily gap fill here, which is pretty good. Thanks for this. Yeah, it looks good. I don't trade based on daily gap fills. Like, I don't enter a trade because there's a daily gap fill. That's not how I trade personally. But yeah, I mean, there's a good potential that this can come and fill the gap. If I had to take an entry, it would definitely be about 464, because that shows us breaking a resistance and going to push to the upside. And obviously, if you're in it, aim for your realistic 5-10% profits. Do not hold for 200%. Do not hold for 50-60%. You're going to be sleeping on the streets if you're doing that every week. All right, so this has a daily gap fill, so it looks good. I like the setup, but just mark 464 for an entry. All right, otherwise just leave it for now. Very difficult to trade something like this. NITO, we are down 11%. Right now, yeah, difficult to trade something like this. Let's just draw this trend. I mean, it isn't a bull flag possibly, but it's difficult to trade something like this because at the moment the market's bearish. I would say as long as it holds $1, then it's a good setup. But if it doesn't, you know, then it'll probably come down, and if it breaks below $1, it's just going to keep going down, because there's a big psychological level. In my opinion, it's very difficult to trade something that is close to this level. It's not in an uptrend either, so difficult. I pray people didn't enter at the top. I mean, people did. People haven't taken profits. They hold. See? You guys see what I mean? When I was literally explaining to you, when people joined during this live, and I said, the stock will come down, understand, and just have patience. Most people, that's exactly when I said it will probably come down. And now, if you did buy at the top, I know there's a few people who did, you are down 14%. So this is how traders are now. If someone bought at the top, let's say 280 around there, in the situation right now, I know what they did. They full ported it because they wanted to make a quick $20, $30 or $500, $600, $1,000, whatever it is, right? But their risk was to blow their account. That's how it is. They had no stop loss. Right now they're down 14%. They're freaking out. They don't know what to do. So now what they'll do is they will try and buy more, and they'll keep going down, right? And they'll keep going down. And now they're in a situation where they're down so much, they might as well just hold it and just hope that it will go up. That is extremely bad trading, and that is why 99.999% of traders fail, because they do not take profits. They are greedy. All they want to do is try and make as much money as possible and flip their account and make 100% on their account every day, make $1,000 on a $200 account, and it's extremely unrealistic, right? You need to be realistic. You need to aim for a realistic target each day, have a realistic stop loss and all those things. So when you enter a trade, you know where your target is and you know where your stop loss is. The stock will always go down. Just relax, all right? You have to relax. If you're in a situation where you're like, oh, it's up so high, I know I shouldn't buy here, but you do, knowing next time to learn from your mistake and say, this is where I always buy and it always comes down. Let me just wait and see what happens. That is all you need to do. VCIG, yeah, VCIG is looking good. Candlestick strategy on this, Discord members. So this looks good. VCIG is looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good. Yeah, VCIG looks great. I would not buy now. You are near the highest point of the day. Just relax. It will come down as every other stock comes down. Please just relax. All right, PLTR is just down as well, I'm assuming. PLTR is also down 5%. So what is happening here? PLTR is doing what I predicted, retesting this trend line here to continue to hopefully go up. We will see what happens. Looks good. Yeah. I mean, that was a crazy wick of $70. Possibly good entries, to be honest with you. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Really appreciate you giving back to the community. No problem, my friend. I am here to help. ETNB, nothing unless $12 for me to enter. Right now, I don't see any entries. I don't know why everyone's hopping on this trug. I don't see anything on the stock. It's terrible, to be honest. Yeah, nothing. Downtrend. Same as Rhyme. Rhyme, your entries are, this thing's 3 cents, so I'm not going to bother talking about that because I don't want you to lose money on that. If you are in it, yeah, if you're down 10%, cut it. That's what I personally would tell you. 183 for BNZI is your entry point. So wait for BNZI, wait for 183 break to enter. All right, 183 break is a good entry point. If you're entering now, then I cannot help you because that is not where I would enter. So I don't know what to do. I know with Sand and say, yeah, I know a lot of people struggle with that, but those are all long-term plays in my opinion. TAOP, I think it's one of that one. TAOP, there's nothing on this. I'm not too sure. Yeah, 46 cents maybe. What up, Checks? Nice to see you in here. What up, what up, what up? Then a reverse split. 20% realistic for research traders. It's just difficult to know because I mean the thing is, right, you're researching to know if the news is going to be good or bad. If you're going to play a bio stock that has pending trials or phase 2 trials and you think it's going to pass and it fails and it goes down to 60-70%, you know, you've done all the DD, found out that it's the best thing and that this is a great product or whatever it is, and there's a high probability that it's going to go up, and you spent years or months and weeks to find the research and have this positive mindset and it tanks. For me, it's like, you know, it's very tiring and it's just very, I don't know, like you lose a lot of confidence with trades like that. But 20%, yeah, I mean, you could, yeah. I mean, long term, I would say, yeah, but not like you're buying stocks based on news that you expect to come out and that there's going to be good news or whatever it is. In my opinion, this market, I haven't been in here for 20 years, but I've been trading for 4 years and I've learned a lot with that. And I've just found that I don't do DD on any stocks anymore. I've given up. I don't need it. It doesn't work for my style. I simply just trade all the top gainers. All of these stocks here on the left hand side in blue, 26%, 15, 30%, 30%, 190. These are all up because of news, right? So for me personally, right, I just trade these stocks. I don't care about the news. I know they're up because of news or whatever it is. That has the volume. And then for me from there, I just kind of focus on where I trade based on technical. So that's how I trade. The DD is done for me. The news is there. The volume's there. I know it's the stock's up, right? Obviously, people who do prior DD and news and expect these stocks and companies to run, they're in it before or whatever. But, you know, they've got to hope and pray that it's gonna go up in their favor. For me, when it's up, that's when I trade, so I can get my entries through that. That's kind of how I trade. Oracle, I think they're all down. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go through these last stocks and then I'm done. Oracle's down 8%. Yeah, nothing on this. There's no support till literally down here, 152. I would just let these calm down, to be honest. It's gonna be a bloody day today. LICN, I don't know. LICN, there's nothing really going on at the moment. It's in a bearish trend like this. Yeah, difficult to trade something like this because there's no bullish trend. So maybe above this resistance here, which you can probably see what I'm going to do here. Above like 167. I follow your Twitter. I'm within my first month of trading. What does it mean when you say TVG and in Discord? I have a Discord channel with Hassi, and I give alerts there. Do you trade options? No, I don't. Thanks for your teachings too. Explanation easy to understand. I'll see your streams like 20. Yeah, I know. I don't know how to make it, or if anyone knows how to change it and not make it so delayed, it would be fantastic. I just don't know how to do it. I have Oracle calls. Oof. Oh, March 21st. Yeah. I mean, obviously the whole market got rocked now. TNXP is looking alright. It's looking good. I'm going to move this to the higher. Yeah. Oh, Friday. Okay, guys. I am going to head into the Discord. Alright. Live trading will start in exactly market open. I will see you guys all in there if you want to join. Discord members, I'll see you guys in a bit. Live trading link will be sent out as usual. Alright. JG, the last thing I'm going to do is, for me, I would wait for 2150 to take an entry. Anything below, I'm not interested. All right, so JG, wait for 2150 to enter. All right, I hope you guys have a fantastic morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you are. I will catch you all in the Discord. I'll share charts where I can on Twitter, but Hassi's away, so I've got a full focus, full alerts are all in the Discord. All right, catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.